What types of services do you offer?
Sure. So the services that we have, it's anything and everything that revolves around firewood. So whether it's, a traditional splitter, horizontal, if somebody's doing more custom bundle wood and wants a vertical splitter, we handle all that kind of stuff. And then of course with Bobcat, we do just a whole line of attachments from, like the inverted splitter that's on my MT, to a log grapple that's on the S300, rotating pallet forks on the telehandler, and like I said before, the attachment style processor that's on the Toolcat. And then we get into the big dumb stuff, like your full-blown processors, anything from bar saw to circle saw, and those range from 40 grand to over 200,000. So we kind of have something for the hobbyist and the seasoned professional. We even do log loader trailers. They're in the background. I'm not sure if the camera's picking up on that yet or not, but we'll do a walk around on everything that we've got out here. So